How to make a group admin in your WhatsApp. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can make the group admin to anyone in your WhatsApp. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your WhatsApp. So now once you are in here you just have to select the group or any community in which you want to make anyone group admin, and once you select it what you have to do is simply click on that profile, and from here you just have to select the person that you want to make the group admin, and you just have to tap and hold their profile. And from here as you can see that here is the option of the make group admin. You just have to click on it, and from here you are able to make them group admin in your WhatsApp. And if you want to remove them from your group admin what you have to do is simply press and hold it, and here is the option of the dismiss as the admin. You just have to click on it. So this is how you can make and group admin in your WhatsApp. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.